Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to reset keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select the settings. Then scroll down, locate and open General. And here you have to go to the very bottom of the list and click on Reset. Now you can come along with all reset options, from which you have to select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Here it is. Simply click on it, and if you truly want to delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to factory defaults, click on Reset Dictionary. And that would be all. You've just reset keyboard dictionary in your device, in your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.